Welcome back to the channel, good friends. Brian from Apex Detail. This is the last installment of the mini-series. If you want to know how we got to this point, start at the beginning. Now, we're ready to coat the Mini Cooper here, and we're going to use the Geon Synchro. This is the updated version 2 years ago, 2018, and this contains Moe's 50 milliliter, Skin 30 milliliter, and Cure 100 milliliter. The kit is fully stocked. I love Geon coatings. They come fully prepared when it comes to equipping you for the coating. Geon coatings, guys, they are great. Any prosumer, a professional, the amateur alike, an enthusiast can order these, and they are easy to work with. The updated formulas made them easy to work with, as you can apply to larger panels and larger areas at a time before you have to wipe it off. I also was excited to show you Synchro. I know it's been out for quite some time. I just haven't had a chance to get Synchro on the channel, but Synchro includes one of my favorite products when it comes to toppers. Either a spray version or a version in a vial like this 30 milliliter vial. Skin. Skin is the slickest, easiest to work with, and most hydrophobic topper you're going to find available on the market today. Hands down. Nothing even close. I love working with Skin. I put Skin as a topper for many different types of coatings. It does play well. You know, I know we're not supposed to leave the family, but it does play well with other coatings. And sometimes I'll lay Skin down on a vehicle that's not protected as a standalone. I just love it. It's just easy to work with, and the results you get, the slickness, there's nothing close to it, and hydrophobic properties, nothing close to it. Now, Geon Synchro is a 2 to 3 year coating. Depend on how many layers you lay down of Moe's, because Moe's is the base layer of the coating system. So you can go 2 to 3 coatings, 2 to 3 layers of Moe's. That will give you the 2 to 3 years. And you want to wait 1 hour in between the layers of Moe's. So this kit is going to eat up a lot of your weekend if you're going to apply this during the weekend. Then when you get to Skin, you want to wait 4 hours in between the layers of Moe's and your topper Skin. And then right before the vehicle leaves, I'll hit it with Cure as a little bit of a sacrificial layer and protectant for the coatings as it cures from that 85% to 100% the next 7 days. The only thing that's not included with the kit that you do want to grab and have within arm's reach are microfiber towels, 6 to 10 of them. You're going to go through 6 if you want to do the 2 to 3 layers, and then your Skin topper and then Cure. Most will throw them away. I have a bucket with 1/2 ounce to 1 ounce of Power Clean within the bucket of warm water. I throw those towels immediately into the bucket when I'm done removing the coating. That really slows cure time for cure of the product within the towel. Then I'll wash them immediately, but I still downgrade the towel. Do not use it on painted surfaces again. I'll use them for cleaning door jambs, wheels, under the hood, the jambs under the trunk. Areas like that where I'm not worried about the towels marring, just in case something crystallizes within the fibers. Application. As I did mention earlier, application is easier with the upgraded formulas. It used to be you would have to apply to a small area, as they would want you to start wiping off the coating within 10 to 30 seconds. Now, with the updated formula, for those that haven't used it, you can apply to half of a decent sized hood or half of a door. You can even get the whole door coated before you come back and start to wipe off the transfer solution. As you can see with the first person view, it is very easy to work with, no grabbiness whatsoever, no problems. With most of the roof here, the black piano finish, also the A, B, and C pillars and the mirrors, we can already see the gloss starting to set in. So we're going to continue this method all the way around the car. And as you can imagine, something this size, we can get around it rather quickly. Next on the list, time to take off those wheel covers and protect the wheels and calipers. We're going to use Angel Wax Enigma Legacy for wheels and calipers. Another product that's easy to work with. I'm going to take a micro suede applicator, and with a gloved hand, I'm going to lay it right over the glove. I'm going to put a generous amount of the wheel and caliper coating and work it into the spokes and the surface of the wheel. There's just enough time to apply the product to the front and rear driver's side wheel, wipe off the transfer solution, hop to the other side, and repeat. This Mini is being spoiled during its visit to Apex Detail. We will be coating the tires as well. 2 layers of the Fireball tire coating. They have a matte or satin finish. They also have a higher gloss. It's going to be 1 layer, break out the heat gun, and at a safe distance away from the tire, we're going to warm up those tires, open the pores, work the product into the rubber, and then another layer on top. It's been about 4 hours since we applied 2 layers of Mo's, so it's time to reach for skin. This is the topper I mentioned earlier. This is the hydrophobic, high gloss, easy to use, very slick topper. And let's get this going. We're going to remove that silly dropper top off of there. I have my dropper ready to go. I can control it a lot better than just throwing a few drops on top of the micro suede applicator. And we're going to get this coated nice and even. This is easy enough. You can apply to the whole hood. It doesn't matter what size the hood is. You can get away with the whole front clip before you have to start coming back and wiping off that transfer solution once again. So as you can imagine, you're going to get around the car or the vehicle or the car, truck, or motorcycle even quicker than when you were applying Mo's. Time to prep the windshield. We're going to be applying a window coating. So we're going to use the Sonax window cleaner or glass cleaner. It's fallen into one of my favorites as a glass cleaner, having a lot of strength, yet not leaving a lot of streaking behind. Easy to use. So with that said, we will be starting the window coating. That's going to be Art to Shine RX. RX Coat by Art to Shine, by the way, is extremely versatile. You could use it on painted surfaces, plastic trim. Especially, I like it on glass. It is a great repellent. You can use it as a topper or even standalone. That will wrap it up for not only this video, but the series in its entirety. I hope this answered a few questions. This covered a lot of materials. This little vehicle, just on the exterior alone, had plenty of materials that I could talk about and cover and maybe help you maintain if you have those types of materials on your car, truck, or motorcycle. Quite a turnaround for the Mini Cooper. Fun to work with, fun to work on. If you have any questions, you can join us on Instagram. You can join our Facebook group, the Apex Detail Support Group, where we can get together as detailers, both professional, novices, and enthusiasts, and just celebrate the world of detailing and support each other. And if you have any questions, we all help each other there as well. So I'll catch you guys in the next video.